Hey, this is Mike with Cold Fusion Nitrous. A customer brought us his 2015 Ford F150 that has the 302 Coyote motor in it. He wanted to have a nitrous plate kit and a purge installed. So we're going to run through the installation process and explain to you how we did it and just go from there. So check it out. Use a 10mm socket to remove the throttle body bolts. Once you remove the throttle body, you can install the plate with the gasket, as you can see right here. Fuel and nitrous. And now, as you can see, we've got the fuel rail adapter installed. You've got your 4AN fitting here. It's going to go to the fuel solenoid. So we're all set up. Now, as you can see, we have ran the fuel braided hose to the fuel solenoid. Nitrous solenoid and fuel solenoid outlets are going to the plate. This is where we chose to mount the solenoids on the bracket. So as you can see, we've got the nitrous and fuel solenoid, the lines that go to the plate, that is right here, if you can see it. And then we put the purge kit remotely on the driver's side. And if you walk around to this side of the truck, as you can see, as we showed earlier, this is the fuel rail adapter. This is where you get your fuel enrichment, right here. So the customer wanted the arming switch and purge buttons hidden. So what we did is we made a simple little bracket here. And this is his arming switch right here. And the purge button is right next to it. We installed the wide open throttle switch, as you can see, on the gas pedal. If you can take notice of this screw, this is a self-tapping screw right here. This is the wide open throttle switch. So when the pedal goes to wide open throttle, you hear that? Activates the nitrous. Off, on. So all you have to do is arm it and go wide open throttle, and the nitrous is activated. Always make sure to deactivate your traction control before you use nitrous. And the customer has a bed cover. He wanted the nitrous bottle installed simply right here in the back. So there it is. As you can see, it's filled, ready to go.